there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the often overlooked line at the bottom of your iPhone screen. You know, the one that looks like a design choice, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Personally, I think this line is a testament to Apple's genius in thinking outside the box and rethinking user interfaces. So, let's explore why this seemingly simple line is actually a powerhouse of functionality. First things first, let's talk about the history. The iPhone X, introduced in 2017, marked a significant shift in Apple's design philosophy. With the introduction of Face ID, the iconic home button was ditched, and the home indicator line was born. This line wasn't just an aesthetic choice, it was a strategic move to adapt to the new Face ID system. Before the iPhone X, the home button was the go-to for navigating to the home screen, and Apple had to find a way to replicate that familiarity without the physical button. One of the most common uses of this line is swiping it up from the lock screen or an app to return to the home screen. It's a simple gesture that has become second nature to iPhone users. But what many people don't realize is that this line is so much more versatile. For instance, if you slowly slide your finger up and off around mid-display, you can access all the apps that were recently opened in the background. While closing these apps won't significantly improve battery life, it's a handy shortcut for quick access. Now, here's a real pro tip. Sliding your finger sideways along this line allows you to swiftly switch between apps. Imagine you're back and forth between your bank app and another app, copying and pasting information. This gesture has been around for years, but it's one of those features that many people never discover. It's like finding a hidden treasure within your iPhone. But the line's functionality doesn't stop there. If you tap this line twice while on an app, it opens a UI that lets you ask Siri something related to that screen or anything else. With the upcoming new version of Siri, it's possible that Apple will enhance this feature, providing even more context-aware assistance. This raises a deeper question. How will AI-powered assistants like Siri continue to evolve and integrate into our daily lives? Creating this line wasn't a simple task. Apple's design chief, Johnny Ive, had to rethink the entire user interface. He emphasized the importance of historical context in finding solutions, especially when it comes to features like the home button. Ive's philosophy is a reminder that innovation often requires breaking away from established norms. The removal of the headphone jack and the home button were bold moves, and the home indicator line is a testament to Apple's willingness to take risks. In my opinion, the line at the bottom of your iPhone screen is a brilliant example of Apple's ability to innovate and adapt. It's a feature that showcases the company's attention to detail and user experience. So, the next time you swipe up or slide sideways, remember that there's more to that line than meets the eye. It's a powerful tool that can enhance your iPhone experience in ways you might not have imagined. What's your favorite hidden feature of the iPhone's home indicator line? Let me know in the comments below.